Good morning, students. Welcome in pharmacognosy lecture. Today I will start the gross anatomical study of datura. Okay. In last lecture we have discussed about the gross anatomical study of the cinnamon. Now I will start the today's part of pharmacognosy, that is gross anatomical study of the datura. Firstly, what is the synonym of datura? Synonym of datura are datura herb and angel's trumpet. Okay, these are the synonym of datura. Then what is the biological source of datura? Datura consists of dried leaves of the and flowering tops of the datura metal and demetal. That is then Fastosa saffron. Okay, and it belong to the family Solanaceae. Okay, these are the biological source of datura. What is datura? Consists of dried leaves and flowering tops of the datura metal and demetal. Then Fastosa saffron, and it's belonging to the family Solanaceae. Okay, and it should contains not less than the 0.20% of the total alkaloids of datura and calculated as a hyoscyamu. Okay, then next is the geographical source of datura. It is found in the India, then England and other tropical and subtropical regions. Okay, then next is the cultivation and collection of the datura. What is cultivation collection of datura? The drug is cultivated by showing the seeds. The germination. What is the germination is normally very slow, and if seeds are soaked in water and kept overnight, then the rate of germination increases. About 7 to 8 kg of the seeds per hectare are required for the sowing purpose. Then the seeds requires about the 15 to 20 days of the germination. Then weeding and thinning are necessary and performed when are 10 to 15 centimeter tall. Then the distance kept in the between two plants is about 75 to 100 centimeter. Then the plants should be supplied with organic fertilizers and proper irrigation. The drug is collected after 4 months of its cultivation. Then the leaves and branches are removed. The drug is dried in the sun and marketed by packing in gunny bags. Okay, these are the cultivation collection of the datura. Then next is the microscopic characters. Which is the microscopic characters? Sorry, macroscopic characters. Okay, firstly see the macroscopic character, then we have seen the microscopic characters. Okay, what is the macroscopic characters? The drugs has the characteristics but unpleasant odor and bitter taste. The drug contains entire broken wrinkle crushed leaves along with the stem fragments and floral plates. Then the entire leaf has length of 9 to 18 centimeter and width of 8 to 13 centimeter. Then normally the margin of entire, but in some cases serrated with rounded or acute, that is 2 to 4 broad lobes. Then the leaf is covered with a minute hairs. Then lower surface is slightly pale in color and the leaf has a thin texture. The leaf is unequal at the base with acute apex and glabrous lamina. Each leaf has 3 to 4 coarse veins on each side and 4 to 6 secondary veins on either side of the midribs. Then flower are reddish purple on outer side and whitish on inner side. Then corolla is a thin, acuminate, triangular to circular in shape. Then flower are funnel shaped with a pedicel which is never erect. The stem as well as branches of the drug are purple colored. Then brown color seeds are triangular and are found in the thorny capsules. Okay, these are the macroscopic characteristics of the datura. Here are the datura metal in fruiting stage. Okay, then next is the microscopic characters. Okay, here are the transverse section of the datura leaf. What is the microscopic characters? The TS, it shows the dorsiventral characters. The epidermal cells of both sides shows anisocytic and cruciferous stomata. The cells are covered with a thin cuticle and glandular and non-glandular simple trichomes. About 40% of the lamina is occupied by single layers of palisade cells. Then approximately 6 to 8 layers of the spongy parenchymatous cells are present. Then the midrib shows vascular tissue with a protoxylem and metaxylem. Then trichomes are more on the midrib regions. Then stomatal index is 12.7 to 19.5 for upper surface and 21.2 to 24 for lower surface. Palisades ratio is 3.5 to 6.5. The spongy parenchyma contains calcium oxalate crystals. Okay. Then next is the chemical constituents of the Dhatura. Here are the chemical structure of the scopolamine. Okay, Dhatura herb contains the up to 0.5% of the total alkaloids, among which hyoscine, that is scopolamine, is the main alkaloid, while I-hyoscine, scopolamine, and atropine are present in a very less quantities. See belladonna herb. Okay, these are the chemical structure of the scopolamine. Then last is the chemical test of Vitali-Morin reaction. Okay. Now see, the first is the tropane alkaloid is treated with the fuming nitric acid, then followed by evaporation of the dryness and addition of the methanolic potassium hydroxide solution to an acetone solution of nitrated residue. Then violet coloration takes place due to the tropane derivation. These are the first test. Then second is the on addition of silver nitrate solution to solution of hyoscine hydrobromide, yellowish white precipitate is formed, then which is insoluble in nitric acid but soluble in dilute ammonia. These are the second test. Then next is the use of Dhatura. What is the use of Dhatura? Dhatura herb and its main alkaloid hyoscine are parasympathetic with anticholinergic and central nervous system depressant effect. Then the drug is used in cerebral excitement, then along with morphine. Then it is used as a preoperative medications. Then it is also used in the treatment of asthma and cough. Then hyoscine hydrobromide is used in the motion sickness, gastric or duodenal ulcers. Okay, these are the use of Dhatura. Now I will stop here. Thank you. Remaining part we will see in next lecture.